Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di channel Mama Gesa. Saatnya kita berbagi cerita dari seluruh dunia. Dari mancanegara ada, dari Indonesia juga ada. Nah, kali ini Mama Gesa mendapatkan hadiah sebuah buku. Wah, pastinya film ini sangat laris manis tahun lalu ya. Film Jumbo. Apakah para pendengar setia Mama Gesa sudah melihat film ini tahun lalu? Pasti sudah ya. Jadi buku ini memang versi hard copy tentang seluk-beluk bagaimana sih penciptaan film Jumbo itu sendiri. Well, ini diproduksi oleh Visinema Studios Caravan, The Art of Jumbo. Forward by Rian Adriandi. Nah, pasti penasaran ya bagaimana sih dalamnya buku ini? Let's see. Wow, that's amazing. Ada banyak karakternya ya, semua ada di situ. Lihatlah, siapa yang tahu nama tokoh utama atau karakter utama dari cerita ini? Pasti semua pada tahu. Siapa dia? Let's find out. The Art of Jumbo. Visinema Studios. Kita lihat dulu. Di dalam buku ini ada banyak sekali bagian-bagian atau part. Ada part 1, Don's World. Ada juga part 2, Jumbo Gang. Ada part 3, Kampung Seruni. Part 4, Behind the Ship's Blueprints. Part 5, Jumbo Adventure. Part 6, One Year Later. Dan lain sebagainya. Oke, alright. Yang pasti buku ini keren banget, super duper keren. Next page, ada apa ya? Ada forward dari Bapak Rian Adriandi, the writer director of Jumbo Film. Ada juga Kakak Anggia Karisma sebagai produser, the producer of Jumbo. And then preface-nya ada Kakak Fandi Sugiarto dari Caravan Studio. Ini adalah introduction-nya. Oke. Dan pasti slogannya itu a hook question-nya sama dengan tagline-nya Mama Gesa ya. Saatnya kita berbagi cerita dari manapun. Nah, dari film ini juga dimulai dengan kata-kata a question, who wants to hear a bedtime story? A simple question that tugs at the threads of memory. Whether you remember or not, many of us grew with the fairy tales whispered by a parent's voice. In the quiet of the night, after a day of joyful noise, a gentle ritual unknowingly passed down, a cherished tradition that still lingers around. It all begins with a small wish from a boy named Don to stitch his parents' storybook, so he wouldn't be bullied anymore. Jumbo then became something far greater than that, a sweet memory for young hearts with magic in its head. Makanya jangan sampai meremehkan cita-cita atau mimpi-mimpi anak kecil ya, because they live from imagination and they are going to live in it and make it real. Wow, ini radionya itu ya yang terkenal. Part 1, let's go. Don's World. Nah, ini dia tokoh utama kita, Don. Wah, dengan sandal jepitnya ya teman-teman ya, kita bisa lihat bagaimana siluetnya, bagaimana dia dari scratch, bagaimana wajahnya, ekspresinya, waktu pakai piyama, menangis, tertawa. Oke, Little Don. Ada juga ketika Don turning around, berbalik. Oke, expressionnya juga bagaimana. Oke. When we talk about Jumbo, the first character that comes to mind is undoubtedly Don. As the protagonist, Don is full of personality and carries a rich emotional backstory. He's a 10-year-old boy who lives with his grandmother, after the passing of both his parents because of his large build, which makes him move a bit slower than other kids. His peers gave him the nickname Jumbo. The strong theme of bullying in Jumbo wasn't chosen at random. Rian Adriandi, writer, director, and the script development team conducted extensive research involving families and children to uncover the most pressing issues in kids' lives today. Several topics surfaced, but the common thread led them to one painful truth: the unsettling reality of bullying. The research really opened our eyes to how many kids feel like they don't have a safe space to be heard. Rian shared. Many children who experience bullying usually have no place to turn, no one they feel they can confident in. They are afraid of being labeled a tattletale if they speak up, and then some are even worried that if they report it, the teacher might end up taking the bully's side. Rian recalled, thinking back to the early stages of their development. Tapi jujur Mama Gesa kagum sama karakter yang dibuat oleh Kakak Rian ya. Karena wah, relate banget dengan anak-anak di Indonesia. Dan karakter Don sendiri lucu banget ya. Cute, cabi abis. Ini initial desainnya, Little Don, the sketch. Sketsanya teman-teman ya. Don early design. And then Don's exploration. Wah, yang mana yang pantas ya? Oke. And then this is it. This is the Dons in the movie. Woo! Photo of 3 years old Don. And then this one, it is the bedtime story. Yeah, with the parents. Alright, what's next? Don's room. Bagaimana dengan Don's room? Ini dia. Wow, luar biasa bagus ya. Bahkan spray alas kaki dibuat sedetail mungkin. Wow, jadi pengen nonton Jumbo lagi nih. Nah, ada juga mainan-mainannya. Thank you. Ini ada Don's desk, chair, and shelves. Film ini bertahun-tahun dibuat ya, jadi ada keterangan untuk tahun-tahun pembuatannya juga. And then what's next? This is back then. All of the toys and so on. This also the calendar there. And this is Don's room finally. Wow, really, really great. So we can see that his family's economic status is subtly reflected through the toys and various trinkets scattered throughout Don's world. Although many of the references came from the concept art team's own nostalgia, every small component was carefully crafted with one guiding principle in mind. It had to feel believable as something young Don could have owned during that time. As audiences in general, but specifically in Indonesia, have become more discerning in their understanding and appreciation of films, many were quick to notice the time and setting of Jumbo just from a brief glimpse of the character in Don's room in the trailer, long before the film was even released. Ya, banyak sekali ya benda-benda mainan yang nostalgia banget untuk kita. Oke, well, itu dulu teman-temanku. Next time kita akan melihat karakter yang lainnya with another sketch yang tidak kalah menariknya. Oke, wah, it's lovely things to see. Oops, ada pennya Mama Gesa nih. Pulpen di situ kenapa? Wow, amazing. Alright, sampai di sini perjumpaan kita kali ini. Terus stay tune di channel Mama Gesa. Temannya kita berbagi cerita dari seluruh dunia. Dari mancanegara ada, dari Indonesia juga ada. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. See you next time. Bye.